Forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
All right, the grays on the map here, that's a dense fog advisory for the area through the overnight hours. And the purple here in Ohio is a winter weather advisory for substantial glazing and sleet accumulation here in parts of Ohio. And you can see some of this precip now moving northward and moving into the far southern parts of the viewing area. Now, it's green and blue on the map here, which would mean rain. However, I've been looking at some of the observations out of eastern Illinois, and some of this is actually light freezing rain. Notice some of this activity now moving into the I-74 corridor here and moving off to the northeast. There's more action where that came from down here near St. Louis. See how it's moving off to the northeast towards our area. Now, temperatures right now are running around 33 to about 35 degrees, but as it rains through that layer, it evaporatively cools to about 32 degrees. So that's why I think there could be a little thin glazing on trees, power lines, perhaps a bridge or overpass. But due to all the chemicals on the roads should be in fairly good shape. So you can see this little pocket of 32 down here in eastern Illinois. It's 32 Winamac, 32 Morocco, but it's still 35 here at the station, 34 at Monticello. But as we get into the evening hours, as some of this patchy light rain evaporatively cools, notice it'll get down to about 31, 32 by 9, some light freezing rain, a little light freezing rain around 11, and that's when some of this dense fog will start to roll in. Winds out of the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Again, with the outlook, my main focus is on some of that light freezing rain. That's going to last anywhere from an hour in our southern counties to perhaps as long as 4 or 5 hours in our northeast counties before changing to all liquid rainfall overnight. Then widespread dense fog not only tonight but through tomorrow and tomorrow night. And even though we'll just have some light rain and drizzle tomorrow, the rain will tend to increase on Friday. We could even have a few thunderstorms on New Year's Eve. So you get the idea tonight, though. This icing will change to all liquid rainfall into the overnight hours tonight, early tomorrow morning. And for the day tomorrow, foggy, gloomy, highs low 40s, and some patchy, very light drizzle and very light misty rain from time to time. And we're going to have that right into tomorrow night. It'll be Friday when the rain will really start to pick up in earnest. Now notice ice accumulations on trees and elevated surfaces, maybe 0.08 to a tenth here in our northeast counties. Lafayette area, we may get 0.05 of an inch of freezing rain and less as you head southward, and the duration will be shorter as you head southward as well. And it still looks like a good amount of rainfall as well. Notice the outlook here over the next several days. Notice how the ice changes to liquid rainfall there. Foggy, 43 tomorrow, but 56 on Friday. Rain increasing. Heaviest rains pass through Friday night with even a few thunderstorms. There's the forecast over the next 7 days. Pretty foggy and